Understanding drive it hard in English. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a fascinating English phrase, drive it hard. This expression can be a bit tricky for English learners, so we'll break it down together, exploring its meanings and uses in everyday language. Let's start with the literal meaning. Drive it hard originally comes from the world of driving. Imagine pressing the gas pedal in a car firmly to increase speed or performance. This phrase captures the essence of pushing something to its limits or using it intensely. It's like telling someone to use a car aggressively or to its full capacity. Now, let's look at the figurative use. In everyday language, drive it hard often means to pursue something with great intensity and determination. It's like saying, go for it with all you've got. This can apply to various situations, like working on a project, playing a sport, or even pursuing personal goals. Understanding through examples is always helpful. Let's see how drive it hard is used in different contexts. 1. Work. She really drives it hard to meet her project deadlines. 2. Sports. In the last quarter of the game, he drove it hard to win. 3. Personal goals. If you want to achieve your dreams, you've got to drive it hard. A word of caution. While drive it hard is generally positive, indicating strong effort and determination, it can sometimes imply overexertion or excessive force. It's important to understand the context to use it appropriately. And that's a wrap on drive it hard. I hope this video has shed light on this dynamic phrase and its use in English. Remember, language is all about context and expression, so don't hesitate to drive your English learning journey hard. See you in the next video.